Hey, it's been a couple of days. I've been putting 2 coats a day on the guitar of Tru-Oil. I've already put on 12 coats. I would like to show you what that looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like after 12 coats of Tru-Oil. Show you the back, sides. Of course, we still have to buff it out, but I'm thinking of putting at least 2 more coats on before I continue. But I'm pretty pleased with the way it came out so far. So um, I'll continue to put 2 coats a day on it. Uh, Stay tuned for the next video. Okay, I'm really happy with the way this thing is coming out so far. You probably can't see it. My camera is not that great. You can't see it. It's a metal finish, and it's got real speckles in it. I can't get it up close in order for you to see what it actually looks like. But I'm happy with it so far. The next step is to use buffing compounds and buff it out. But before that, I think I'm going to put another couple of coats on yet, just to get the coating on real as thick as possible. And then we'll shine it out, buff it out, and make it shine. And then we'll put it together. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the channel, give a thumbs up, give a like. Also subscribe to the channel so we can keep going with the next project. Thank you for watching again, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.